Hello, and welcome to the Magic Lantern Guide's D7000 Multimedia Workshop. Although it's targeted to advanced amateurs, the D7000 boasts many features that meet or exceed the specifications of the cameras in Nikon's professional lineup, such as a weather-sealed body, a 16.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, continuous shooting at 6 frames per second, and of course, a video shooting mode with full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. So clearly, the D7000 is aimed squarely at photographers who want professional features, but who maybe don't need the extra ruggedness found in the most expensive models. So it's not surprising that the D7000 has a lot of features and controls that can be confusing to understand at first, even for an experienced SLR owner. And that's why I'm going to cut through the clutter and teach you what you need to know to get started shooting great pictures with the D7000 right away. The purpose of this DVD is to focus specifically on the buttons, knobs, switches, menus, and other controls of the D7000, so that you can choose the options and shooting techniques that will work best for you. If you want to learn more about general photographic topics like composition, f-stop, shutter speed, ISO, lenses, metering, and depth of field, then I suggest you watch the Magic Lantern DVD called Great Photos with Your Digital SLR. In that DVD, I explain the basics of achieving the right exposure, the differences among various types of lenses, focusing techniques, tips for good composition, the use of creative exposure settings to improve your photography, and much more. So let's get started learning about the D7000, because with a sophisticated camera like this, we've got a lot of ground to cover.